One thing you cannot say about San Francisco, baby. San Francisco is so beautiful. I love this place. So a lot of people think San Francisco is dangerous, and as you guys can see, it's not that it's dangerous, it's that you have to know where you're at and be aware of your space at all times. This area of San Francisco, to me, is one of the safer places. I think it's called Embarcadero. They have a lot of different restaurants in the area. They have bikes that you can rent and everything like that. Right now, the traffic is not that bad. And also, you can get to like the San Francisco Giants play right here. As you guys can see, a lot of people ride their bikes and stuff. Parking it, I'm not really sure for rental spaces, and it is quite expensive. A studio bedroom here costs about $3,500, and I don't know about the size of that. I was looking it up just now. All the bikes are sold out, so people are very active in this area. And this is the area. This area is really close to Oracle Park, and then they have a tram system that runs in the middle of this. So if you need to get to other sides of San Francisco, whether you don't have a car, I think you can do really good, especially if you can get a really good job here. I will say it is rather expensive to live in San Francisco. What people say, it is right, but what you get for that is beautiful. You have access to social. They have the port here, and this is a pretty safe area to be in. So I think if I was to pick a side of San Francisco, this would be one spot that you guys need to check out. South Beach Marina Apartments are here. They look very, very controlled. I'm not sure about if parking is there. I'm going to do some research, but these are some really luxury apartments here. The leasing office is closed after hours, but so far, so good. I'm assuming these apartments here are what you get, and they have really spacious windows to see the bay. Hey guys, so I went to the actual website called Paradise by the Bay. It is located in like the neighborhood that I showed you guys. They have 1 and 2 bedrooms. It's really, really nice from the outside. I don't know about security. I did walk by and I saw an open gate, but I chose not to engage because I wouldn't want someone to do that for me. But of course, guys, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 650 square feet, $5,000, because that's not even including internet, cable, and then the 2 bedrooms, which I like, 2 bed, 2 bath, are starting at $6,000. So this is not for the poor. But I am assuming you're signing up for the amenities, and that's what we're going to get into next. Because, hey, if I'm paying $6,000, what am I actually getting? So this neighborhood is actively safe, but they also have a heated pool with a jacuzzi. They have a really good gym equipment, as you guys can see. They have tennis courts, rooftop outdoor living room. They have the works. And of course, with the tennis court, baby, that is the jam, especially. And then the view and the access to the highway. The highway is not that far. So I want you guys to let me know what you think about this apartment complex. If you stayed here or know someone who has stayed here, let me know what you guys think down in the comments.